Hello and welcome to my review of LMFX, a St. Vincent and Grenadines based brokerage firm. They do Forex and CFDs. You can see the products tab here. It says Forex, indices, commodities, metals, oil, shares. You go to shares, for example. It's New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, and London Stock Exchange. The big ones: Teva Pharmaceutical, Microsoft, British Airways, and then IBM, Hilton, Goldman Sachs, etc. Pretty reasonable spreads on most of the shares, and that is probably why they only offer the biggest shares from these indexes, because quite frankly, if you get away from these major ones, the spread gets to be pretty steep in the CFD world. Commodities, we have softs and hards. We have sugar, platinum, palladium, copper, coffee. Forex, they have a pretty wide berth of trading pairs here, pretty exotic pairs, as well as like dollar CAD, which you would expect. So very interesting. They do offer plenty of currencies to trade. They have three different accounts. They have a premium account, the fixed account, and the zero account. The zero account is raw spreads with no markups, but there is commission. So keep that in mind. You need to, or you have 1 to 250 leverage in these accounts. You need $100 to open. A fixed account, your leverage is 1 to 400. You need $250 to open. With fixed spreads. And a premium account, 1 to 1,000 leverage. $50 is all that's needed to open. And obviously you can deposit more or less, just kind of depending on what the scenario is. At this point, though, certainly looks as if, it gives you the opportunity to do whichever direction you want. So, keep in mind that there are bonuses. These tend to change from time to time, so make sure that you take a look before you sign up. Make sure you get your bonuses. Contests and awards, that will change occasionally as well. And then you can take a look at the funding methods. You can see plenty of methods here. Load, FastPay, NetTeller, Skrill, MasterCard, Visa, and wire transfer are all available. So keep that in mind as well. This educational area, video tutorials, this is pretty straightforward, really. This isn't... there isn't a lot to say about it other than it's pretty basic. It's not bad. There's a beginner's course, MetaTrader tutorials. This is pretty straightforward, simple stuff, though. This is good for beginning traders. There's an economic calendar, market analysis. So, pretty straightforward brokerage firm. They've been regulated for several years. They've been around for several years. Pretty good broker. Gives you the opportunity to trade the world.